Not engaging on the political rhetoric. We asked Charlie Evans here at the Engage conference for students a couple times how he would respond to the Fed, to the president saying the Fed is crazy. And he responded not by going back at the president, but by talking about the economy and Fed policy.
We're looking at the economy. We're looking at a very strong economy, strong fundamentals, and we're adjusting the policy stance. We've been doing that gradually, increasing rates. We've been moving up. We're targeting 2 to 2.25% right now. I kind of think neutral is in the 2.75% to 3%. So after many, many years of accommodative policy, which I have supported strongly because inflation is now up at 2%, it's time to readjust the policy stance, at least to neutral.
So at least to neutral. But then he said, hey, we may have to go a little bit above neutral. And so I asked him, what does that mean? And he was very specific about it.
But I kind of think of maybe 50 basis points above neutral. Now, you have to remember there's a lot of uncertainty about neutral. We have different opinions about what that is. There's even different measures in terms of short-run neutral and this longer term that's in the SEP. So we might have to sort of feel our way around that a little bit. But I'm going to be looking at how inflation is performing and the momentum in the economy.
Right to the phone. So let's look at where the president and his advisors in the Federal Reserve disagree and where they agree. They all agree that the economy right now is strong. Where they disagree is the next steps that happen. The next one is they disagree on how long the strong growth continues. The Fed sees growth declining in 19 and 20. Larry Kudlow said he looked for 3% growth next year. They disagree on rate hike response to that stronger growth. And Bill, if I might point out, during my interview with Charlie Evans, the futures went up, but Scott Wapner's interview with Kudlow, the Dow fell off. So viewers can figure out who their friends are among the CNBC personalities here.